What if I told you there's a hidden Yoruba-speaking tribe, not in Lagos, not in Oyo, not in Osun, not even in the entire Southwest, but deep in the heart of Delta State? A people who were uprooted from the ancient kingdom of Igodomigodo, but yet till today, they retain their Yoruba language. A community where parents gladly name their children Adebowale Ngozi, Olubukola Nwamaka, and elders make proverbs with a mixture of Igbo and Yoruba language. One will ask, are they Igbo? They were not originally Igbo. Neither are they even Yoruba now. Something unique happened. Just make sure you watch this video to the end and understand what happened. Who are these people? How did they survive centuries of migration, colonial borders, and cultural dilution, both the assimilation and acculturation of different cultures? How did their language survive this? What you're about to watch is the story of the Olukumi people, a lost tribe that never forgot.
Lórúkọ Jésù. Òṣùbà tó pọ̀ kí o máa lẹ̀, àwa tí a ní ti zọ́ tó rẹ̀. Ibo ti sè àti ráyé nítorí, o ti sì wá ti wá bá wa nígbèrè. Àwa ẹ̀bẹ̀ orí ta mọ́ hígide tí gidi adùn wa lórúkọ Jésù. Ibo àwọn tí wá ìwé nítorí wọn àná àfẹ́ wá and for tí wọ́n bẹ̀ mú gbé orúkọ èrò ògbódò orúkọ pàkẹ́ orí fọ ẹ̀rọ ọ̀ka. Àwa ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní ìtò hàní ní tẹ́wọ́n bẹ̀ àṣẹ ní. Àwọn ilé nítorí yìí wọ́n hàpù wọ́n náà before ilé náírà òòyà àrò ọ̀ha. Sáwà tó lé àwọn bá ìwà àgbọ̀ ìrìnlẹ̀ náírà yíyá lórúkọ Jésù. I am Prince Adebowale J. I'm the secretary to the palace of the Oloza of Ugbodu Kingdom. Where I am now today is Ugbodu. Ugbodu is around Olukumi speaking or Onis in Anambra North local government area of Delta States. According to history, Olukumi speaking people they migrated from Akure and Owo between 9th and 11th centuries AD. They settled in Benin briefly. That was during the reign of Ogiso Owodo, the last Ogiso of Benin Kingdom. According to history, we were made to know that Ekaladeha was the heir apparent to the throne. Due to jealousy from other wives, they said they consulted Oracle because things were not moving well with the palace. They consulted Oracle and took him away to be executed. It was after that the Olukumi speaking community decided to kneel. They were filled with fear. If a heir apparent can be killed, what more of stranger elements? Olukumi speaking people, the legs, started moving until they came to their present location in Anambra North local government area of Delta State. Is settled here. As you can see today, like my name, Adebowale, though my surname is Ochei, but before then, we have all of us that have reigned in Ugbodu bearing Yoruba names. The first one I guess is Adetola. We have Aderemi. From there, we have about 7 Yoruba speaking Yoruba names as follows as before Edo. After Edo, we have the names that all of us that bore Igbo names. Like you have Ocheng, who is my grandfather, Dike Esi Emeze, and the present one is Oloza Ayer Esi Emeze. So you can see the names. We are trying to get back to our roots. And some time ago, where they have the Olukumi Bible, was we are trying to get back to our roots. The ones that maintains the language till date now, we have Ugbodu, we have Eko, otherwise known as Ukunzu. Though for me, I don't believe in that name Ukunzu because somehow I seems they are deviating from. Though they will pardon me for saying that, they are trying to deviate from their own origin because Uku means is an Igbo. Ukuzu due to the native chop found in that place. The Igbo-speaking communities around us. Now give them that name. Though their real name is Eko, we know them as Eko Efu. Efu means chalk, the native chalk. So Ubodu and Eko Efu, they still maintain the language. We have Ubulubu. We have Ubodu Kunzu or Eko. Ubulubu. Some parts of Ogodo, Loba, but it's only Modo. And Idumogo is only Ubudu and Eko, which is Okuzu, that still maintains the language. The message I have for them is they should all come home. We should come home and rebuild our communities.
During First World War, okay? Then in Yokuzu, ayan is Aduko Zababato, I'll cover the Vampa. Now, there you back a duke to be. Bassy this area. Bab, there's the do inside teeth, Yabum, Yabe in or not. In the Goya like Malo Imon, okay, no. You look what they are novel, Yazan, Nigeria, that novel. Every guy about everything, he got done on that other side, or the other Rube. It me language. Upuzu, Ubugo, Ubulubo. But there are people also with speak Igbo. That's the truth about it. Yeah, so Africa. Igbo, I'm going guys in noble meeting now. Because I pull me, I did show me, I just pull, but you are busy. Hey, when you are little book and then I just told that no, and I probably the I'm begin because one an event so. Hey, sir, no, me more in one to come here. Give me a joke here. Or give me up on pack. Yeah, but now, the good one, no, about you go to again, what they are not. Why? Because her off now do I look like it. Oh, do yeah. Be your boo boo, you daddy. Who will see your Uboba, Ilodiani? Uboba, senior Udumogo, Ilodian. There's Mogo, senior Ubumu, Ilodian. Ubu, senior over the Ilodian. But nobody will go to book with death or the clan. Go be cover Ogo. Wow.
This is not just a documentary, it is a rediscovery of identity, a revival of memory, and a celebration of one of Nigeria's most enduring cultural secrets. If these people who are all the way from Ado, as we heard in the video, as narrated by Adebowale Ocheyi, and they could still speak their Olukùmí language, how come the people who claim to have come from nearby Benin cannot even speak a word in Benin language? I leave this to you to wonder while I ask you to visit our channel and watch other more interesting videos. Thank you and do have a very pleasant day.
Luana.